Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little house with a bright yellow door, lived a happy family. There was Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and their little cub, Benny Bear. Benny loved to play, but sometimes he felt a little bit shy. One sunny morning, Mama Bear was in the kitchen, making their special satay sauce. It was a secret family recipe. The sauce smelled yummy, like roasted peanuts and sweet spices. Papa Bear was grilling chicken skewers in the garden. The juicy chicken smelled delicious, as the smoke puffed into the air. A little bluebird with bright yellow feet hopped nearby, watching curiously. Mama Bear brought out a bowl of the magical satay sauce. "Benny dear," she said with a smile, "dip a chicken skewer in this sauce. It will make you feel brave." Benny took a skewer and dipped it in the rich brown sauce. He took a bite. It tasted wonderful. Suddenly, Benny felt a warm, happy feeling inside. In the garden, Benny saw a fluffy white bunny nibbling on a carrot. Benny wanted to go say hello, but usually he felt too shy. This time, he felt brave. He walked right up to the bunny and said, "Hello, little bunny, your fur is so soft." The bunny wiggled its nose and hopped closer. Later, Mama Bear was preparing some cucumber sticks to go with the satay. "Benny," she said, "if you dip a cucumber in the sauce, it will give you supervision for 5 minutes. You'll be able to see things far away." Benny dipped a crisp green cucumber stick in the sauce and took a bite. It tasted fresh and cool. Benny went back outside. He looked up at a tall tree with bright green leaves. Without the cucumber, the top of the tree looked a little blurry. But now, after eating the cucumber with the magical sauce, Benny could see a tiny ladybug crawling on one of the highest leaves. He could even see the little spots on its back. "Wow!" he exclaimed. Soon, it was time for lunch. The whole family sat together at a sunny picnic table in the garden. They ate the yummy grilled chicken with the magical satay sauce and the crisp cucumbers. Benny told Papa and Mama Bear about feeling brave and seeing the tiny ladybug. They smiled and said, "Our magical satay sauce is special, but the best magic comes from inside you, Benny." After lunch, Benny wanted to share his brave feeling. He saw the little bluebird with yellow feet trying to reach a bright red berry on a high branch. Benny carefully helped the bird reach the berry. The bluebird chirped happily. Sharing kindness makes everyone feel good.
Please subscribe. Thank you.